السلام عليكم كي دايرين بخير لاباس الحمد لله. Welcome to this second lesson in the simple past video series. So far we have conjugated at least 162 verbs in the simple present. Now we are going to do the same thing with the same verbs in the simple past. So if you are really interested, stay with us after this short break. Welcome back. To get good results, please try to repeat, and repeat. So repetition is key. So let's start with verb number 1, smile. He smiled to us. ابتسم لنا. He, هو, smiled, ابتسم, to us, لنا. هو, ابتسم, لنا. So we do not need to use هو, okay? The personal pronoun subject form. So instead we say ابتسم لنا. ابتسم لنا. Now let's go to number 2. She waved to you. شيرت ليك. So to you is ليك. She waved to you. شيرت ليك. شيرت ليك. Number 3. They smuggled cigarettes. هربوا القارو. هربوا القارو. It's not هربوا, but هربوا with a stress on the R. هربوا القارو. Number 4. He played lottery. لعب لوتو. هو لعب لوتو. So we have seen that you do not need to use the personal pronoun subject form for he. That is هو in Moroccan Arabic. He played lottery. لعب لوتو. لعب لوتو. Number 5, she gave a lecture. أعطت محاضرة. So a lecture is محاضرة. So أعطت محاضرة. أعطت محاضرة. Number 6, they corrected papers. صحوا الأوراق. So papers are الأوراق. They corrected papers. صحوا الأوراق. صحوا الأوراق. Number 7, he told the truth. قال الحقيقة. So the truth is حقيقة. He told the truth. قال الحقيقة. So قال is the simple past of the verb قول in Moroccan Arabic. So قال is the simple past form. قال الحقيقة. قال الحقيقة. Number 8, she recycled plastic bags. So دارت إعادة تدوير ديال ميكا. دارت إعادة تدوير ديال ميكا. Okay. Number 9, they looked at me. They looked at me. شافوا فيا. So at me is فيا. They looked at me. شافوا فيا. شافوا فيا. Next. He spent a lot of money. صرف الفلوس بزاف. He spent a lot of money. He spent صرف. So الفلوس is money and بزاف is a lot or very much. So صرف الفلوس بزاف. صرف الفلوس بزاف. Now let's go to number 2. She shuffled cards. تيكت الكارتا. So كارتا are cards. So تيكت. Okay. تيكت الكارتا. تيكت الكارتا. Number 3. They lied to you. They lied. كذبوا. كذبوا عليك. To you. عليك. كذبوا عليك. كذبوا عليك. Number 4. He flew to Casablanca. سافر بالطيارة لكازا. سافر بالطيارة لكازا. He traveled by plane to Casablanca. سافر is travel. بالطيارة by plane لكازا. Okay. Casablanca. Number 5. She fished a turtle. صيدت فكرون. So فكرون is a turtle. صيدت she fished. فكرون a turtle. صيدت فكرون. صيدت فكرون. Number 6. They plucked chickens. Okay. إذن ريشو sorry جج. ريشو جج. Okay. ريشو جج. Number 7 sorry. He scored a goal. سجل هدف. سجل هدف. So to score is سجل. A goal is هدف. He scored a goal. سجل هدف. سجل هدف. Number 8. She showed us the way. ورت لينا طريق. So she showed ورت us لينا the way طريق. ورت لينا طريق. Number 9, they winked at me. غمزوا ليا. So to wink is غمز. They winked at me. غمزوا ليا. مضغ المسكة. So gum is المسكة. Chewed مضغ. She ate dinner. كلت العشاء. She ate كلت. Dinner is العشاء. Number 3, they drummed. طبلوا. They drummed. طبلوا. Okay. Number 4, he complained about the noise. شكا من صداع. So شكا, he complained. شكا من about. صداع is the noise. صداع. شكا من صداع. Number 5, she haggled the price of a car, or she bargained for a good price for the car. So she haggled the price of a car. اشترت الثمن ديال الطوموبيل. اشترت. So to haggle is تشتر. So اشترت, she haggled. الثمن is the price of the car ديال الطوموبيل or طوموبيل ديال الطوموبيل. Number 6, they applied makeup. So they applied داروا مكياج. So they applied makeup. داروا مكياج. Maquillage is makeup. Number 7, he clipped his nails. قطع الضفار ديالو. So he clipped is قطع. ضفار nails. Okay. And his is ديالو. So قطع الضفار ديالو. Number 8, she dyed her hair. صبغات الشعر ديالها. So she dyed صبغات الشعر is hair and ديالها is her. Okay. So صبغات الشعر ديالها. Number 9, they waited for you. تسناو. For you فيك. They waited تسناو فيك for you. Okay. So thank you so much. You have successfully finished lesson number 22. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and give it a good feedback. So stay tuned for the coming lessons for more, and good luck.